Hey there, traders. What's happening? Jamie Saettele here. It is May 29th, 2020, last trading day of May. And as is often the case, the last trading day of the month tends to get pretty wild, choppy, volatile. Good, I guess, if you are an intraday scalper fading spikes. But I'm going to talk about a bigger swing setup that we're looking at. So we came into the day long euro. This is a chart of euro dollar. We're going to look at euro today. And this is going to be twofold, as most of my videos are. I like to try to teach something or address a technique that I employ, while also maybe giving some idea generation for the market. So this again is euro, and we've got a channel from the March low. All right. And you don't draw this channel really, probably after you've rallied a bit, and then you kind of draw on a trend line, right? Well, when do you know when to trade this? You know, is it here, which is like the third touch? You could, and a lot of people would say, well, that's not a valid trend line yet because it only touches 2 points. While true, when you draw a channel, here's a little trick. You can confirm, if you will, your channel once the market tags the center line of that, right? And if you come back to the lower parallel and hold it, as we did down here in base for a while, then you can trade it. Now, we actually didn't trade it until right here. Let me throw that arrow right there. You can see this. I'm gonna make it a little darker. All right, so you can see that line right here. Okay, so that's just the quarter line halfway between the median line and the lower parallel. And that's a level that I like to trade off of. So, we came into the week just leaving orders right there. Buy it 109.45, what have you. Got triggered on European trading on what day was that? That was on Wednesday. So had a nice move there, right? Our initial target actually, and what I'm going to talk about is the concept of symmetry. In median line analysis, right? So since we came from this level here, right, we're looking for us to go to the equivalent level on the opposite side of the median line. In this case, that is going to be about 112, right? So that would be the level we were looking for. However, this morning, or just now, I should say, we did have really high volume, right? And again, it is month end, so maybe that's not real flow, if you will, but month end, and we had a big volume reversal. I have volume statistics on a different platform, but just trust me, we had a big volume reversal here right at the horizontal level. So that was the March 27th high. Okay, so we've turned over. That's fine. So what do we do from here? Well, there's two things to watch. One, you're going to want to watch the center line here, which is 110.73, which is like 20 pips lower. However, I'm going to talk again about the concept of symmetry. So, it seems that this reversal right here was completely out of nowhere, at least on a parallel sense, right? Like we topped very near this high here, the March 27th high. However, if you use TradingView, I know many do, so a line that's between the halfway point and the center line, so you can kind of like keep doing this. That's where we topped, right? So you call it like the 8th line if you want. I'm going to make them in magenta. So what you're looking for here is, again, the concept of symmetry. So a line equidistant from the center line, right? The same distance from here to here, but down here, right? And that's going to actually get you in line as well with these horizontal levels right here. And this gives you a level to look for support. If we get down there, and that's going to be, 110.10, 110.20, makes a lot of sense anyway, but it just reinforces that level is important, gives me a lot of confidence in trading at that level, okay? So horizontal level, concept of symmetry, right? Coming from this level, and then if you get back below the center line, looking for a level equidistant from the distance from the median line to that level where you failed. All right. It's also, by the way, if we were looking at a daily chart, you would see that the 200-day average is also, I think, right at about 110.10 or 110.20. So big level. So that's it. Again, heading into next week, that is a level that I will be paying very close attention to return to a full bullish position on euro against the US dollar. All right, Jamie Saettele here signing off. Have a great weekend. Bye.